Not only could we continue to see at least the threat of severe weather with a few isolated severe storms and an isolated tornado, but we also have flooding concerns. Just now they issued a flood watch for Palm Beach County, and it runs through tomorrow night at 8 p.m. So not only will we see heavy rain overnight tonight, once again tomorrow we'll have another batch of locally heavy rain move across the area. And this rain is very tropical in nature. So as a result, we're seeing inches of rain in less than an hour. So right now, Treasure Coast, things are pretty quiet, but as we head into southern Palm Beach County, that's where we're seeing the really heavy rain moving across I-95 and the turnpike from Boca through Boynton all the way up towards West Palm Beach. We also have another batch of very heavy rain with lots of lightning strikes now moving into Okeechobee County. But check out the rainfall totals from earlier today back near Naples. Anywhere from 8 to 10 inches of rain. So widespread flooding over in that area. Closer to home, in the meantime, from West Palm Beach through Boynton and through Boca, already 2 to 3 inches of rain on the ground. And we'll see an additional 2 to 3 over the next couple of hours. Along the Treasure Coast, really not that much rainfall for you. But here's what we're watching. We have one batch of rain sitting on top of us right now. This one will actually push out to the Atlantic over the next 2 to 3 hours. But then we have this batch right here that will start to come in during the overnight hours tonight. So more rain in the forecast right on through tomorrow. Locally heavy, flooding a big concern.